If you're looking to integrate Proof with your sales funnel, you're in the right place. This quick guide will show you how to do it in just a few easy steps, whether you're completely new to Proof or just need some guidance to get started. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing a special bonus that will let you try this powerful tool for free, and trust me, it's a game changer for your sales process. Proof allows you to build social proof and urgency into your sales funnel seamlessly. By integrating this tool, you can show live notifications to your visitors, such as recent purchases or active signups, which creates trust and encourages more conversions. Let's dive right into the process. First, sign up for Proof and log into your dashboard. Once you're in, go to the Campaigns section and click Create New Campaign. You'll be prompted to select your funnel's purpose. Whether it's to increase sales, build your email list, or even showcase product popularity. Once you've chosen your goal, you'll begin customizing the notifications. Now let's move on to adding Proof notifications to your sales funnel. You can create notifications like, John from New York just bought this, or 50 people are viewing this product right now. These notifications automatically pull data from your site to give you authentic, real-time updates. This drives urgency and increases conversion rates by leveraging the psychological principle of social proof. Simply click the notification type and choose what will fit best for your funnel. Next, choose where you want to display these notifications. You can have them pop up on the top of your page, in the middle, or at the bottom. Customizing the placement is key, so experiment to see where your audience responds best. The beauty of Proof is that it's highly customizable, allowing you to adjust the design and frequency of the notifications to match your brand's aesthetics and your funnel's flow. The integration with your funnel is incredibly simple. If you're using a platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or WordPress, Proof integrates natively with all of them. For custom setups, the software offers easy-to-use API options to make sure it works perfectly with your unique funnel. If you're not sure how to integrate it, don't worry. Proof provides step-by-step instructions and support to help you every step of the way. You can also create multiple variations of notifications to A/B test. This is an awesome feature for optimizing your funnel performance. By testing different types of Proof and seeing which ones convert better, you can refine your funnel and increase your ROI. Once you've chosen the right setup, simply activate the campaign. Another feature I love is the ability to track your notifications performance. Proof shows detailed analytics on how your notifications are impacting your sales funnel. You can track conversion rates, clicks, and interactions to see exactly how your visitors are responding. These insights are invaluable for making data-driven decisions and refining your funnel for even better results. Now, if you're thinking this sounds great and you're ready to give it a try, I've got a special offer for you. You can start using Proof completely free through the first link in the description below, and we're also offering exclusive bonuses that will give you access to extended trial periods and premium features that will supercharge your sales funnel even more. To wrap things up, integrating Proof into your sales funnel is one of the smartest decisions you can make to boost your conversions. With just a few simple steps, you can begin leveraging the power of social proof and urgency to drive more sales and leads. Don't forget to check out the link below for your exclusive free trial and extra bonuses, and start transforming your sales process today.